Carrots are a powerhouse of nutrients. They are rich in antioxidants, essential nutrients like vitamin E and beta-carotene. Carrots have been linked with eye health. Experts and laymen swear that regular consumption of carrots can help to boost eye health and improve vision. It can increase sperm count and improve sperm health, since they are rich in antioxidants, vitamin E, and beta-carotene. It helps to prevent sperm damage and boost sperm health. The nutrients in carrots help to increase sperm count and also maintain sperm health in men. Studies suggest that men who eat carrots regularly are able to produce more sperms and they are of better quality. These sperms have better mobility, ability to swim faster, and help in conception too. Eating carrots can also improve sperm count too. It helps to treat erectile dysfunction. As a man ages, he experiences ED in one way or the other, though the severity of the condition might differ from one man to the other. Usually, low potassium levels and reduced levels of vitamin E are associated with the advent of erectile dysfunction. Also, constriction of blood vessels that hamper the smooth circulation of blood can also be one of the reasons behind this condition. A diet rich in potassium and vitamin E can help to fight symptoms of ED. Carrots contain a good amount of potassium and vitamin E and can help to supplement your diet with the essential mineral and vitamins, thereby reducing the effects of ED. Antioxidants in carrots also slow down the aging process and thus help in age-related erectile dysfunction. Ingredients for the drink that can keep her satisfied all night: 2 carrots, 1 glass of orange juice, 3 to 4 walnuts. All you need to do is add all the ingredients into a blender until you get a homogeneous mix. This drink will give you the energy and strength that you need all night. Drink it at least 2 hours before you both get in bed.